Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix microphone not working in the Instagram. So if your microphone is not working in that here, so for this you have to go for your setting first, go for apps and notification, search for your Instagram here and go for Instagram. Now you have to go for permissions, scroll down and you can see microphone. Go for microphone and you have to allow only while using the app. Then go back. After that you can fix that problem. Microphone is not working in the Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.